first product I'm going to talk about, Rob Sayufi is going to demonstrate our one-component ARDEX S1K. It's a one-component waterproof and crack suppression membrane. Comes in this really unique football-shaped bucket. Very easy to put the paint roller in. Just take the lid off and apply the product. Stephen Cooper is going to be working with our two-component cement-based waterproofing and crack isolation membrane, ARDEX 8+9. Rob's going to get started applying the S1K to the corners and the seams as he's going to treat the seams and corners with SK mesh as Stephen starts mixing the 8+9. The 8+9, again, is a two-component cement-based waterproofing product. It's a 1-to-1 by volume mixture. It comes in this handy residential unit. Comes in a box. It has the gallon of the 8 with a bag of the 9 cement with the instructions in every package. It also comes in a commercial unit, which is 3 times the size, and it'll achieve 3 times the square foot coverage. So this one residential unit, 2 coats, will get you 100 square feet, and of course the commercial unit would get you 300 square feet. Rob's applied the S1K in the corner with the paintbrush, and now he's taking a putty knife and he's flattening out his seams of the SK mesh. The S1K is an interior-only application product, whereas the 8+9 is both interior and exterior. Also, for contractors or designers that prefer to use a mesh product, we have our ARDEX SK175 waterproofing sheet membrane. It comes with the SK175 inside and out corners, as well as the SK175 seam tape. So we have 3 options for the contractors. The options are a cement-based 2-component, a polymer-modified 1-component, or a sheet membrane. The sheet membrane product is the product that we highly recommend for steam rooms. This product has the highest perm rating in the industry. The dry times are going to differ between the 2 products. The one Rob is using, the first coat's going to go on. It's going to need between 1 hour to 2 hours to dry, depending upon heat and humidity. Stephen's product, the ARDEX 8+9, is a fast, rapid-setting waterproofing product. That one, the first coat's going to dry in 30 minutes. He's ready to put his second coat on, and then towel can be installed in 90 minutes. The installation process is the same for both products. You have to treat the corners and the change of planes with the SK mesh. Both products can also be used as a shower pan liner. The 8+9 can be flood tested in as early as 4 hours, whereas the S1K, you have to wait between 16 and 24 hours, again, depending on heat and humidity. They're both 2-coat systems, so after they treat all their seams and change of planes, they'll come back and they'll coat those seams with a paintbrush. That'll be your first coat. So really it's preference, depending upon what the contractor or maybe what the designer prefers. 3 options, 3 different applications, but they're all achieving the same thing, waterproofing and crack isolation. Rob's getting ready to do the field with the paint roller. Again, both of these products can be installed over drywall, cement board, existing tile. So there's a variety of substrates that these products can bond to and waterproof. Both the 8+9 can be used in a swimming pool with 3 coats. The SK175 sheet waterproof membrane can be used in the pool as well with all the inside and outside corners. Once the product's installed with one of our ARDEX mortars, the pool can be tiled the next day. For crack isolation membranes, both of these products can go up to a 1/16 of an inch without the addition of mesh, or up to an 1/8 with the addition of the SK mesh. We also offer a 36-inch wide roll of the SK mesh for floors that have many cracks in it, so you can do the whole floor with an SK mesh and the 8+9 or the S1K. So this is what the S1K looks like when completed. Steven's working on the 8+9. He's going to put the 8+9 on with the V-notch trowel and then come back and back roll it. Some contractors prefer that. It's just a little bit easier to get the cementitious product out onto the surface. Again, once the product's applied, now he can go back and back roll with the paint roller. Just getting a nice cementitious surface to bond his thin set mortar to it. The 8+9 also is used tile over tile applications. We have an option for using it as a one-step primer. So crack isolation and waterproofing is always 2 coats, but you can do a tile over tile application as a 1-coat fast setting primer with the 8+9, and that's going to dry 30 to 60 minutes, and you're ready to tile right on top of this with a nice cementitious bond coat. So again, we have the ARDEX S1K, 1-component waterproofing crack isolation membrane, the ARDEX SK175 sheet waterproof membrane, the ARDEX 8+9 2-component cement-based waterproof and crack isolation membrane. Can I answer any questions? It all depends. Whenever they're cured and they're installed properly, they'll all work the same. Now, it's just personal preference. Some people feel that a sheet membrane is goof-proof, so there's less chances of missing a spot. But as long as you install the products properly with the proper SK mesh in the corners, all 3 of them will work the same. Okay, thank you. ARDEX is at booth 8133. Please stop by and see some of the other products we have. We really appreciate you showing up today.